How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a business debit Mastercard account for your PayPal. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and it's not something that you can easily get right off the bat. As to actually get for the business debit Mastercard on PayPal, you would have to apply for one. And assuming that you guys have all the um, needed documents for it and you have good credit, then you should be eligible for a business debit MasterCard. So the way it works is quite simple. And all you guys have to do is head over to PayPal's website, and there should be an option there to apply for the business debit MasterCard, as you can see here. So what you guys need to do is basically go to this link, click on request a card, and then log into your PayPal account. Now, what will happen past this login page is PayPal will give you a form that you need to fill up along with your signature and whatnot, just to show them that you have a good standing when it comes to credit and your social security. And when everything seems to be in order, you can submit your application. They will review it, and if everything seems to be good, you should have your business debit MasterCard in a couple of days. So the things that you need are these. To request a PayPal business debit MasterCard, please ensure that you have a US business account, um, and your business type is individual or sole proprietorship. Corporations and nonprofit accounts do not qualify for the business debit MasterCard. So it only has to be, you can only apply for it if you're among these two categories. Now, next, you need to have a confirmed physical street address and not a PO box. And you can confirm your address by either linking a credit card that has a monthly statement sent to the physical street address, or applying and receiving approval for a PayPal card that confirms your street address. Like, there has to be like a property or a house for it to work, and completing the location confirmation process. Second to last, you need to provide your SSN or social security number and date of birth. Last one, you need to be an active PayPal member in good standing. So what I said before. So once you have all of these and you've basically followed the on-screen instructions, filled up all the info that they need, you guys should be good to go. Simply hit submit and pray for the best. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.